In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert a table into a Gmail email using Google Docs or Microsoft Excel. Whether you're organizing data, creating an agenda, or sending out detailed information, a well-formatted table can be an invaluable tool for ensuring clarity and professionalism in your emails. First things first, let's start by creating your table. For this, you'll need to open either Google Docs or Microsoft Excel, depending on your preference or what tools you have available. Both platforms offer great options for designing tables, so feel free to select the one that suits your needs best. Once you have your chosen application open, it's time to design your table. Think about how many rows and columns you'll require based on the information you want to include. You can easily adjust these in both Google Docs and Excel. Be sure to take advantage of the formatting options available to you, such as aligning your text, adjusting cell sizes, and perhaps adding some color accents. Not only will this help in organizing the data more effectively, but visually appealing tables also make your message stand out when it reaches your recipient's inbox. With your table set up just the way you like it, it's time to copy it. Highlight the entire table by clicking and dragging over it. Once you've selected the table, you'll need to copy it to your clipboard. If you're on a Windows device, press Ctrl+C. If you're on a Mac, use CMD+C. This will ensure your beautifully formatted table is ready to be transferred over to Gmail with all its settings intact. Now open your Gmail account and click on the Compose button to begin drafting your email. This is where your table will soon make its important appearance. Position your cursor in the body of the email where you'd like the table to be displayed. This is crucial because it determines where the table will appear once pasted. With the cursor set in the right spot, it's time to paste your table. Again, if you're on a Windows system, use the Ctrl+V command. On a Mac, CMD+V will do the trick. You should see your wonderfully formatted table appear right where you place the cursor with all its original styling intact. Congratulations, you've just added a table to your Gmail email and it's ready to be sent out to colleagues, clients, or anyone else who needs to receive it. This method ensures your table retains the look and feel you worked on, making sure the recipient sees exactly what you intended. Remember, taking the time to format your table can significantly improve the readability and professionalism of your email content. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your future email communications even more effective.